Hi guys, welcome back to Silly Science. I'm Miss Samantha from Tempe Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp with kitchen materials. So what you'll need for today are 2 glasses, some water, food coloring, a cooking oil of your choice, and some Alka-Seltzer tablets. So first, you're going to take your cup of water and you're going to drop some color into the water. Okay, so now I'm going to swirl it around a little bit to kind of get the water combined with the color. Okay, now we're going to put that to the side for a moment. Your next step is to take your empty glass and pour some oil into it. I would say a little bit more than halfway. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, so now you've got your glass with oil and your glass with colored water, right? Now you're going to take your colored water and pour it into the cup with the oil. But you want to leave a little bit at the top of the glass. You don't want it to be too full, okay? And then finally, you're going to take your Alka-Seltzer tablet. You're going to open it up. Okay. And then you're going to break it up into a couple little pieces. It doesn't have to be teeny tiny pieces, but some smaller pieces. And then you're going to take turns putting the pieces of the Alka-Seltzer into the cup, okay? So let's see. Don't forget, watch what happens. Do you see those bubbles? How cool is that? You can do this for over and over as you'd like by adding more pieces of the Alka-Seltzer slowly. And you'll continue to see the bubbles go up and down. That's pretty cool, right? So, let me put this to the side for now. Why does this work? Now, water and oil, they don't mix. And the oil can't change color because the food coloring is soluble in water. The Alka-Seltzer in the water makes bubbles of CO2 or carbon dioxide, which attaches to the blobs of color and brings them to the surface where they pop and the color floats back down to the bottom. You'll see all the color that's been popped gathers at the bottom. Pretty cool, right? That's all the time we have for today. I'll see you next time. Bye!